Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. Today's song is on Please Me by Cardi B and Bruno Mars, and it's on the ukulele, so let's get started. Alright, so for this tutorial, majority of the song is the same, so what you're playing in the verse and the chorus are the same chords and strumming, and then the only exception is going to be the bridge, which we're also going to learn towards the ending. So let's start off with the basics and learn the chords for this song. So the first chord is a B minor 7. And the second chord is a C sharp 7. And then an F sharp minor. And the last chord is an F sharp 7. So this song we're going to be using a lot of the 7th chords. But so B minor 7, C sharp 7, F sharp minor to an F sharp 7. So I'll show you guys the example of the strum pattern using these chords, and then we'll get right into learning it. So the strum pattern I'm going to be using is a down, up, 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 down, up. So I'll play it a few times at a slow pace so that you guys can follow along with the chords and the strum pattern on the screen. Also this ending right here. So you're gonna hear that in the song. So I'll play it again for you guys. Alright, so let's try it with the chords. Now it doesn't do it all the time, but you guys will definitely hear it in the song. Alright, so now we're going to learn how to play the bridge. For the bridge, we're going to learn 3 new chords. So the chords we're using is going to be a B minor 7 to a C sharp minor 7. Then this next one is a F sharp minor 6 to a D major 7 and then to a C sharp 7. Alright, so that's a total of 5 chords we're using for the bridge. The strum pattern is going to be the same, just that we're going to be holding each note kind of longer than we did in the other ones. So I'll give you guys an example, and you guys can kind of see how that works out. Alright, so using the same strum pattern as the first one, so we're going to start from B minor 7 to a C sharp minor 7 to F sharp minor 6, and this one for D major 7, it's just 2 down strums and 2 down strums, or you could do 2 and 1. So I have the chords and the lyrics on the screen. You guys can play along with it and sing with the lyrics. So here we go. So thanks again guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and I guess I'll see you guys on the next one.